let's talk about finishes. Specifically about a wood finish that was first made famous by a Lebanese-American furniture designer named Sam Maloof. If you're not familiar with him or his work, I would highly recommend you look him up. You can find tons of videos of it on the internet. Anyway, let's get right into it. So what we need for that is a finishing oil. You could as well use Danish oil or tung oil, basically whatever you really like and what you have at hand. Then number two, a poly, it should be oil-based, and white spirits. We need the white spirits to thin this so that we can basically apply it like a wipe on. The quantities we need is equal parts. You will have to prepare as much as you need for your projects, and ideally you take a glass jar. You can eyeball it, you can use a cup, you can use a measuring cup, whatever you feel most comfortable in. I usually like to mark my glass and then just top it up. Then you give all of this a gentle stir. As you can see, I've already prepared my mixture. You see how liquid it is. And that's basically like a wipe-on poly. That's the first part about this finish. In the second part, I will get to and show you a bit later. I'm going to show you how I'm wiping it on. Obviously, you want to make sure that your surface is clean. And yeah, let's get going. Now here you can see this door has a mahogany veneer. And what we'll do, we'll just take a lint-free rag or a old cotton t-shirt, and we take our mixture and we want to wipe that on. And look at that grain pop. Isn't that beautiful? And you don't want to do it too wet. Just enough that the finish doesn't swim. Now, since this is oil, you want to make sure that you let it sit overnight, and you repeat that next day, and usually you do 2 or 3 layers, and then you have a wonderful finish that is both protected by the poly and gets richer through the oil. And don't worry if you have little dust nips in there, you can just polish that out with a brown paper bag the next day. And that's it. Here you go. Look at that.